Hi, I'm Savannah from Baratza, and today we're unboxing our brand new Virtuoso Plus. A grinder built for longevity and ease, especially with the built-in grind timer. The Virtuoso Plus features a digital grind timer, 40 grind settings, LED barista lights, and a large grounds bin. Pop the lid, lay the box on its side, and slide out the inner tray using the two round cutouts. First up, the quick start guide. Keep this close for reference as we'll walk through the steps together here. Your quick start guide may look a little different than the one we have here, but rest assured that the one you have is made for the grinder you are unboxing, and will cover all the important bits together. Inside, you'll find all the components neatly packed. Inside the grounds bin, you will find the cleaning brush for cleaning the internals. Before using, give the removable parts a hand wash, the hopper, lid, and grounds bin with warm soapy water. Rinse and dry completely before first use. Now let's get it set up. To install the hopper, line up the white grind setting indicator with the triangle near setting 40. Press down and twist clockwise until you hear clicking. Insert the grounds bin with the white max fill line facing out. Now plug the grinder in, and let's talk about grind settings. The Virtuoso Plus has 40 grind settings, with 40 being the coarsest and 0 being the finest. Just twist the hopper to adjust the grind setting. If you have coffee in the hopper, make sure that you are grinding while making large adjustments finer, otherwise it might damage the internals. You can find the suggested grind range for each of these brew methods, important safety information, and more in the Quick Start Guide. There are two ways to grind, timer mode and pulse mode. To grind by a specific length of time, turn the dial to set your grind time in seconds, up to 40. Then press the dial to start grinding. Press it again mid-grind to pause, otherwise it will stop when the timer hits 0. This is great for grinding the same amount of coffee in every grind. To grind without the timer, enter pulse mode by pressing and holding the button until P appears on the display. Now the grinder will grind as long as the button is held down, for a max of 40 seconds. The timer counts up while grinding, which can be useful for setting the timer afterwards to repeat the grind. Rotate the dial more than 2 clicks to return it back to timer mode. The grinder will automatically enter sleep mode after 3 minutes of inactivity. Just turn the dial or press the button once to wake it. Now, let's put together what we've learned and brew filter coffee with our Lux brewer. We'll pre-portion 30 grams and enter pulse mode to grind through it all at setting 15. Pay attention to the end time so you can use that as a reference to set the timer when grinding a full hopper. Just subtract a few seconds since it will grind faster with a filled hopper. Now fill the basket with the grounds and fill the water tank up to about the 500 milliliter level, or 20 fluid ounces, and hit start. Now let's taste it. So simple, so quick, and so amazing and delicious. At Baratza, we're not just about grinders. We're about helping you brew better coffee every day. That's why we design products that last and back everything with world-class customer support and product service. Got questions? Hit us up at baratza.com/support. We're real people who love talking coffee. Be sure to subscribe for more brew guides, recipes, and tips. Baratza, well-grounded for over 25 years.